National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Lake County in northwestern Indiana until 10:45 p.m. At 9:58 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Hammond, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hammond, Gary, Portage, East Chicago, Hobart, Highland, Munster, Griffith, Lake Station, Whiting, and New Chicago. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is